Most people think setting up a smart delivery service is complicated, but the real problem is they never actually understand the steps. They assume it is technical, confusing, or risky. Here's the truth no one tells you. Setting up Walmart in 2026 is actually simple, but only if you follow the right process from the start. Quick promise. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly how to check eligibility, set up access, connect your home entry system, and start using Walmart InHome delivery safely and correctly. Let's start with the basics. Walmart InHome is a service that allows delivery associates to place groceries and items inside your home using secure access technology. It is designed for convenience, but it requires setup before you can use it. Step 1 is checking availability. Not every address supports InHome service. You need to open the Walmart app or website and confirm if your home is in a supported area. This step is important because everything depends on location. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even if your area supports it, you still need compatible home entry access, like a smart lock or garage system that Walmart can safely integrate with. Step 2 is signing up. You subscribe to the InHome delivery plan through your Walmart account. During this process you will be asked for basic details and delivery preferences. But here's the problem most people overlook. They rush through setup without properly configuring their access system, and that leads to delays or failed installations. Step 3 is setting up smart access. You will connect a supported smart lock or garage entry system. This allows trained delivery associates to securely enter your home at the time of delivery. Now imagine this simple example. Alex lives in a busy city and works long hours. He sets up Walmart InHome with a smart garage system. Now his groceries are delivered inside his kitchen even when he is not home, and he receives a notification once everything is complete. Step 4 is choosing your delivery preferences. You can select where items should be placed inside your home. For example, kitchen counter, garage, or designated storage space. Step 5 is placing your first order. Once setup is complete, you shop normally through the Walmart app, select InHome at checkout, and choose a delivery time window. Now here is something important most users miss. You should always test your smart access system before your first delivery. This ensures everything works smoothly and avoids failed entry attempts. Step 6 is monitoring deliveries. You receive real-time updates when the delivery associate arrives, enters your home, and completes the drop-off. Transparency is a key part of the system. So, to wrap it up, setting up Walmart InHome in 2026 comes down to 5 things. Checking availability, subscribing, setting up smart access, configuring delivery preferences, and testing your system before use. If you remember one thing, it is this. The success of InHome is not just about ordering, it is about setting up secure access correctly from the beginning. If this helped you understand it clearly, like the video, comment your questions, and subscribe for more simple guides like this.